Welcome to Panbit, the ultimate app to build better habits and finally follow through. Set a habit like drinking water, journaling, or taking a walk. Easy. Do your habit and then tap once. Boom. Progress made. Check by mistake? No worries, just tap the habit settings and undone. Need motivation? Add a reinforcement fee, miss your habit, and Panbit sends your money to charity. Want to level up? Add a commitment lock so you can't remove your habit for 30 days. Add an accountability partner who gets your weekly stats. Because real friends keep receipts. Change your environment, add a small tweak, snap a pic, and earn 300 points. Hit a streak? Unlock a badge? Share it with the world in 2 taps. Feeling bold? Create a friend challenge and make habit building a team sport. Ready to start? Download Panbit today and turn I should into I did. Panbit, habits to a new level.